Hi, we're here today to bring you another new recipe. It promises to be a truly intense combination of flavours. We've got some fresh ginger and dark chocolate, which are two of my favourite ingredients to use. We're going to use them to make an ice cream, which is a little harder work and has more steps than previous ice creams that we've made. So let us do the hard work and try this out for you to see if it's worth the bother.
If you have an ice cream machine, you have to try making this one day.
Right, so I'm going to start by making a simple syrup. So we've got some water that goes in, put some heat under it, and then I'm going to add in the sugar, and then just give that a bit of a stir. It will just take a couple of minutes for that all to dissolve down. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Inspired by the Journey to get regular updates on our weekly recipes. Right, and I think we're about there. So the next thing we're going to add in is this ginger. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm just going to turn this up slightly and we'll allow it to infuse for a few minutes. We've been dissolving some Agar Agar in the milk.
We use the Agar Agar instead of eggs to help the ice cream set nicely.
So what we're going to do next is use that milk and combine it with some sugar. I'm going to just pour that in. Some heat under it. I'm not going to go too hot because I don't want it to too hot. Sugar in, you give it a stir. You can feel now on the bottom there that the sugar's dissolved. It's not got that rough feeling in the bottom there. So I'm going to add in the cream. This is double cream. And then the next thing I am going to add in is some lemon juice. And then the last thing I've got here is this is the cool down simple syrup with the ginger in it. We've strained out the ginger, and I'm sure someone would know a good recipe that we could use with the leftover ginger that was strained out. There's got to be something that we can do with that, but at the moment I'm not sure what it is. So if you've got any good ideas for that, let me know, because this recipe is combining lots of my favourite things, so I'm sure it's going to be a hit in this house with me. And then the next thing to do is to pour it into our container. And just make sure I don't get that on the heat, because that would be a sad end to a ninja container. And then I will just pour this in. Hi, welcome back. I've got Milo here joining me to do the second part of this ice cream. Can you remember what flavour it is, Milo?
It is ginger.
Ginger ice cream. And we're going to add this dark chocolate in, aren't we? So we're going to have dark chocolate and ginger ice cream.
I'll tell you this for free. The dark chocolate is best.
So it's 85% cocoa chocolate, so it sounds like it should be yummy.
Yes, it is.
So let's take the lid off.
And get it.
And can you put that in there?
Yes, I can, Mummy.
And then wiggle it round so the bottom's in, and then let's pop this on. So we're going to press the power button. Right, so we've mixed it and we've respun it. It just was looking a bit powdery, so we gave it a respin, and now it's looking good. So Milo, can you make a hole in the middle, other end of the spoon, please?
Carve, 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 carve.
Right, that's looking brilliant. Right, take your spoon out and let's get that chocolate in.
It seems like there's more chocolate than the hole.
So we filled that hole with chocolate, haven't we? Right, so let's
Going to respin it.
well, we're going to do the mixing, aren't we? So we turn it on and mix in. Right, so let's get this out and have a look.
Yes, and I will use the ice cream.
Oh wow, this looks very chocolatey. Look at that. Doesn't that look super chocolatey?
Oh yeah, spring bowl is mine.
Right.
It's my one.
Let's just do a little scoop. Big little, if you ask me.
Now time to taste it. I think it's going to be good.
So what do you think, Milo?
Seriously, it is the best. If you have an ice cream machine, you have to try making this one day.
That is a really good ice cream. It's really nice ginger. It looked like a lot of ginger went in, but actually it's really balanced flavour, and with the dark chocolate in there as well. It's really good. But this really isn't an ice cream that a 5-year-old should like.
I know.
But you do. Nothing's safe in this house. Right, whilst Milo's finishing off that ice cream, just one more thing to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got new recipes coming out each week, so keep an eye out and subscribe so you don't miss out.